Hello everyone. Today, on the special demand of some of students, I am making the video on the chapter polynomials. I hope I will be able to satisfy you wherever your concept clarity is needed. So, please watch the video, and if you like the video, you should share further, subscribe the channel and comment if you like. Now listen, I am discussing about polynomials. Before I start ahead with the polynomial, I wish to give you the simple definition. Now, first, before you do the polynomials, you must know that what is constant, what is variables. So, you know the numbers like 1, 2, 5, 50, etc. These are the constant numbers and these are called constants. Now variables. Variable is that quantity which can vary, means which can change, like x, y, m, n, t, etc. And four fundamentals are like plus, minus, multiply, divide, right? So in your previous class you have studied about algebraic expression. So algebraic expression, what you have read about, that algebraic expression is a combination of variables, constants and separated by four fundamentals. So polynomial is what? Polynomial is also an algebraic expression. So I am writing polynomial is an algebraic expression in which exponents, the other name of exponents is powers, in which the exponents of the variable are non-negative. What do you understand by non-negative? Non-negative means positive. Non-negative integers now is called a polynomial. I will explain you it with example. For example, I have written x square minus 2x plus 5. So you can see here the variable is x and the power of x is 2, which is non-negative integer. Here the power of x is 1. It is also a non-negative integer, means positive integer. And this is a constant term. And here out of four fundamentals there is plus sign and minus sign. So this is a polynomial. Now I am writing another example. You are to tell me that it is a polynomial, yes or no. Suppose I write here x square minus plus 3x power minus 1 plus 7. Is it a polynomial? Yes, it is not a polynomial. Why it is not a polynomial? I will explain. It is not a polynomial. You can see here in the first term, which is x square, here power of x is non-negative, means positive. But in the second term, the power of x is negative. So I have already written polynomial will be then when the power will be non-negative. So this is not a polynomial. There can be many other examples where those are not polynomials. Now I am discussing about terms of a polynomial. Terms of a polynomial. The examples which I have written above, you can see here 1, 2, 3 terms are there. Here also there are 3 terms. The first is monomial. Before I give you the definition, I am writing one example. Suppose I have written 3. I have written minus 7. I have written 2x square. What do you observe here? This is also having one term. This is also having one term. So what will you say? A polynomial is said to be monomial if it has only one term. I am writing one example where students are oftenly confused. I am writing 6xy. Student says, sir, here there are two terms because there is x and y also. This is a single term. So this is also a monomial because they are all in multiplication. Second is binomial. So before I give you the definition of binomial, I am explaining it with example. I have written here 5x plus 3. I have written here 7y square minus 3y. You can observe that here there are two terms, here there are also two terms. So we can say a polynomial is said to be binomial if it has two terms. Now third, trinomial. So for trinomial also, first I am writing few examples like x square plus 2x plus 1. आप क्या ऑब्जर्व कर रही हो? Here there are three terms. Then I am writing another example 3x minus 5x square plus 9. Here there are also again three terms. So a polynomial having three terms is called as trinomial. After trinomial, I am discussing about very important thing, constant polynomial. I have written 6. I have written minus 8. All these types of polynomials are constant polynomials, right? So a polynomial which contains only one constant term, one constant term, that is called a constant polynomial. Now suppose I have written x square minus 2x plus 5. You have told that, sir, this is a polynomial. Fine, it is a polynomial. Now I have to represent it in this form, polynomial form. So I will write it as p of x. Now students ask, sir, can we write it q of x? Of course you can write this way also. R of x, yes, of course you can write this way also. G of x, yes, of course you can write this way also. If this polynomial is in terms of x, then p of x. If it is in terms of y, then p of y. If it is in terms of t, then g of t. Similarly, others. Now, after constant polynomial, I am discussing about standard form of polynomial. Very important thing to be used during long division. Standard form of polynomial. See, when the terms of the polynomial are written in descending order of powers, I repeat the word again, descending order of powers. So when this way the terms of polynomial are written, it is called standard form. जैसे मैंने लिखा यहाँ पे देखो, जैसे 5x square I have written minus x plus 8. So this is a standard form because you can see at the first place the degree is 2, then second degree is 1, then there is constant term. Now I am writing one polynomial. You are to tell whether it is in standard or non-standard form. So see, I am writing here minus x plus 4x cube minus 8x square plus 3. It is non-standard form. And if I ask you to convert it into standard form, what will you do? You will check which is the highest power. So it is 4x cube minus 8x square minus x plus 3. Now you can see that this is the standard form. During long division of polynomials, it is must to convert the given polynomial into standard form. Now let's discuss about degree of polynomial. So degree of polynomial is what? It is the highest power. हाईएस्ट पावर किसकी हाईएस्ट पावर? वेरिएबल की हाईएस्ट पावर, और यू कैन से हाईएस्ट एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ वेरिएबल, इट इज कॉल्ड एज डिग्री ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल। जैसे मैंने लिखा 2x प्लस 5, यहाँ पे देखो हाईएस्ट पावर वेरिएबल x की कितनी है? आप बोलोगे सर कुछ भी नहीं है, बट इट इज 1, डिग्री इज 1। तो सच टाइप ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल। ऐसा पॉलिनोमियल जिसकी डिग्री 1 हो उसे बोलते हैं लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल। अब मैंने लिखा यहाँ पे दिस, कैन यू चेक दैट व्हाट इज द डिग्री? ये देखो हाईएस्ट पावर इज 2। तो ऐसे पॉलिनोमियल को क्या बोलेंगे? इट इज कॉल्ड क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल। क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल। अब मैं लिख रहा हूं जैसे एक्स क्यूब माइनस 5x प्लस 2। आप बताओ यहाँ पे डिग्री कितनी है? हियर द डिग्री इज 3। सो इट इज व्हाट टाइप ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल? क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल। देन आई विल राइट अनदर, जैसे p पावर 4 माइनस p क्यूब प्लस p स्क्वेयर प्लस 8। You can observe that here the degree is 4, and when any polynomial has degree 4 it is called QUARTIC, quartic or biquadratic polynomial। all right, अब जो बड़ा इम्पॉर्टेंट है वो है कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल की डिग्री के बारे में। कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड कि व्हाट इज कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल। नाउ सपोज आई राइट वन कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल 3। आप इसको क्या 3 इंटू एक्स पावर 0 लिख सकते हो? क्योंकि एक्स पावर 0 की वैल्यू अल्टीमेटली 1 होती है। तो व्हाट इज डिग्री हियर? इट इज 0। तो आप बोलोगे द डिग्री ऑफ कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल इज 0। कई बार क्या होता है हम क्वेश्चन बदल के दे देते हैं, जैसे व्हाट इज द डिग्री ऑफ -8। बच्चे को अब पता नहीं चलता कि इट इज नेगेटिव नंबर, बट स्टिल इट कैन बी रिटन एज -8 इंटू एक्स पावर 0। तो यहाँ पर भी तो डिग्री 0 ही हुई, वेदर पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, एटलीस्ट इट इज कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल। तो द डिग्री ऑफ कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल इज 0। आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड। एक और आता है व्हाट इज द डिग्री ऑफ जीरो पॉलिनोमियल। ये कई बार एमसीक्यू में आ जाता है। डिग्री ऑफ जीरो पॉलिनोमियल इन मच डिटेल यू विल स्टडी इट इन 9th स्टैंडर्ड की जीरो पॉलिनोमियल की क्या है, जीरो पॉलिनोमियल उसकी डिग्री क्या। अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ जाए तो आपने लिखना है डिग्री ऑफ जीरो पॉलिनोमियल इज नॉट डिफाइंड, राइट? Degree of zero polynomial is not defined. So this way, this is the full introduction of the chapter polynomial. In my next video I will take the questions. I once again request you that subscribe the channel as much as you can, comment and share also with your classmates or with other students so that they can also be benefited. Thank you.